Hi, everybody. I've been asked so many times to show a tutorial or show how I do my hair. So finally, I'm going to share. I have the time. Um, so to start, this is where I keep all of the things that I'm very simplistic here in my bathroom when it comes to my hair. This is my drawer where I keep my silk scrunchies, my Lady Catherine hairbrush by Stanley, uh, my clips, and I use a topper so that I don't have to place a towel here for the curling iron, and my curling iron. So let's start. Pull my scrunchie off. Wide tooth comb. Why? Because the tight comb will pull the heck out of your hair, and I don't like that. So I part my hair. Do I like it there? I think I'm gonna go a little deeper. There you go. And I clip one side of my hair to keep it separate from the part I'm working on. And I don't do any, some people may want to separate the part that they're working on from the back. It doesn't bother me. I've been doing it a long time, but you can part it to separate the hair. Separate hair. And I clip this portion underneath because I'll show you. If I don't and I start to curl my hair, whatever is hanging will pull the hair underneath and it'll tangle it. That's the product in my hair. Smoking. Okay. Very simple. I normally do 3 curls on this side of my head. The next one is going to be a little tricky because it's closer to the ear. So for those of you who do not have experience with curling irons, you must be super careful because burning the tip of your ear is not fun. It will sting. I've done it hundreds of times. So for this part, I start at the bottom and fold and hold, take my ear, bring it downward, and curl. Notice how it's not touching my skin or my ear. Bang! Now for the larger part. Same thing. So we're just going to grab the amount of hair that you feel you would need. Not too thick. Not too thick. I gotta do my roots. And normally I keep it on, depending upon how I feel. I know my hair, 10 seconds or so. That's why it doesn't take me long to do my hair. And notice I'm not using a clip on the side because I'm starting at the tip of the hair, so it will not drag the hair that's lying down. But if you wanted to start from the root, then you clip your hair. And you start from the root, and you see how the hair is down. And if that clip would not be there, it would drag that hair. See, guys? It's very simple. That's very simple and very quick. That's why I'm able to do it every single day. I don't think much time has passed. Oh, maybe if you're watching, it seems like a long time. I don't know. It's very quick for me.
It's been 5 minutes so far.
Okay. And by the way, I'm using the Conair Platinum Infinity Pro 1 1/4 inch. If you have longer hair, maybe you can use a thicker barrel. Oops, I gotta do that one a little bit better. I've been doing this a long time, so I'm not too shy with the barrel. And I've had a lot of burns. Guys, be careful. Quick story. When I was a teenager, Conair used to have the metal flap, and it said Conair. It was summertime, and I was sweating in the bathroom, and I accidentally slipped. The curling iron slipped from my hands, hit my forehead, and I had the word air on. And I was supposed to go to the beach. So guess what? I couldn't go suntanning. I had a massive burn. So be very careful. Be careful. Just respect the curling iron, especially if you're not familiar. Take your time.
Look like Nike sponsored you.
What? Conair, imagine.
You just had hair on your
I had hair. Air. I'm glad it didn't say con, right? Like a con. A convict. This is quick. I mean, if you're used to it and you do it every single day, it comes very naturally. Great. It's doing the same thing. As you can tell, I do this so well that I hardly need any guidance from my back mirror. I just know. It doesn't have to be perfect either. It can look like a roller set, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Just curled and don't miss any hair. And as you can tell, my hair is about, I would say, 3.5 inches long or 4 inches. So for that length, the 1 1/4 inch curling iron is good. Anything under this would be really tight curls and not so flexible when you go to loosen the curls. Anything bigger would be, for this hair, would not be recommended because it will not give the curl that vintage curl. Okay, I don't know how long that was, but I have curled my entire head
9 minutes.
in 9 minutes, under 10 minutes. Wow. And I'm speaking. Normally, I'm quicker because I have no one to speak with in the morning on my way to work, and I just focus on my hair. So now what I do is I normally go and steam my clothes make some coffee because I want the hair to set. I want it to cool down. You shouldn't automatically start taking the curls out while it's hot because it's not, you'll lose the curl. So I'll be right back. Made some coffee. Bustelo. Okay, guys. So my technique to loosen these curls is with the point of my comb. Then later on, I don't know what this is called. It's a comb with a pick with the picks. That. And my fingers. So I start at the bottom, pick it through. Not it's gonna be lightly because you don't want to lose the curl. Right? If I want to fluff it up, I do this. See the curls? So that's that for the front. Blend. Take the front of the curl, bring it to the front, and blend the back. It's gentle. It looks like I'm being aggressive, but it's actually, I'm being gentle. Or maybe I'm being aggressive and think I'm being gentle. I don't know. Okay. So I'm not losing the curl in the front. Okay. Blend. See, it's coming along. Blend. And my hair, although it seems like it looks the same exact way every single time, it doesn't, because my hair will do what it pleases. And sometimes I will have more height. Sometimes it'll look flatter. So I think I lost some curl here in this one. So I'm going to tighten that curl. Tighten. Okay. What I like to do is place the curl under, I don't know what I would call this, the wave. See these waves? So I like to place the curls under the wave so it doesn't look so weird. And now I'm going to tease my hair a little bit here. This is called teasing, to give it, to hide any blank spots or see-through spots. How would I say that? I don't know. To make the hair look fuller. There you go. Okay. All right. This one I want a little tighter. Actually, my hair is getting longer. So I don't know how long I'm going to keep this hairstyle. If it has a summertime growth spurt. Okay, so I'm seeing a little. My hair is not being very cooperative, but pretty much. How long did that take me? So under 10 minutes to curl and under
5 minutes.
Under 5 minutes to comb through. So less than 15 minutes or 15 minutes. So I would call it 20. I gotta finish it off. So I use Big Sexy hairspray. There are two types. One that is really, really firm and one that isn't. I have both, but today I'm going to use firm, and you don't need a lot of it, but it won't move. Okay, it's not perfect, but you get the gist. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.